Hi guys, and welcome to the Hugging Face tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. And as you can see, I am already on the homepage of Hugging Face, and you will see multiple options on the top like models, dataset spaces, posts, docs, enterprise, and pricing. So before diving into the sign up account, let's talk about the pricing which Hugging Face is providing. So I am tapping on the option pricing. Let me scroll down, and here you will see some prices. This one is free, and it's the Pro account, and it will cost $9 per month. This one is Enterprise Hub. If I scroll down here, you can see it will cost $20 per month. Each package provides different kind of benefits. You can also read everything by yourself. They are providing 5 different packages. So let's dive into the method of creating an account of Hugging Face. So I will click Sign Up. If you already created an account with your Google account or any other account, then you have to click on the option Login. If I click on it, and you will see I need to enter my email and password. Currently, I don't have any account, so that's why I will click on option Sign Up. The first thing I need to do is I need to confirm I am a human, not a robot. So I will click on the option Begin. And now here, I need to select the hats. So the first thing I need to do is I need to enter my email address, by which I want to create my account. So let me write. Once writing the both, click on the option Next. I will not save my password for this. Now here you can see the option of username, and this one is full name. You can also upload your avatar, plus you can use your Twitter username, also the GitHub and the LinkedIn profile. But these 3 are the optional. So the first thing is I will write my username. After writing my username, I will write my full name. Now, if you want to upload any avatar that you have, then click option Upload File. And here your computer browser will be open, and you can upload your avatar. But if you want to use the avatar from the Hugging Face, then click on this pencil, and here you can generate your own avatar. You can also write for your avatar. So let me write, now generating my avatar, and it'll take a while. And here you can see my avatar has been generated. Now I will click on Set As, and then it will be set on my profile. Let me scroll down here. You can also add the homepage of your any account. And here is AI and ML. It's also optional. If you want to add, then click on it. If you don't want, then let it be as it is. Now click on this and tap on the option to Create Account. So as you can see, our account has been created successfully. The first thing I will do here is I will confirm email. So I need to click on the option to send a confirmation email. Then it will send a verification code to my email. So I will open my email, and as you can see, my email has been verified successfully. Now, I will go back to my Hugging Face and will reload the page. Now I successfully verified my email address. If you take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. By clicking on the option New, I can create a model plus a dataset, space, and collection. Below you will see the option of Profile by clicking on it. I will get access to my profile where I can edit my profile and do some kind of settings. If I click on the option setting, here you can see my account setting. This one is my username. It's my email here. I can enter a new password and can change my password. Plus, I can add some additional email in case of any recovery. Also, I can delete my account by clicking on Option. Delete my account. On the left side, you will see a lot of different options because it's your profile settings. So you can do each and every setting as you want. So let's go back from here. Second one is Inbox. If I click on the option Inbox here, I will receive some messages. So currently it's empty because I don't receive any messages. Now if I click on Option Billing here, I can add my payment method by clicking on the option Add Payment Information. Once I will click on it, I need to add my payment method by which I can pay. You can also see Pro subscription if I click on it. Here you can see Subscribe to Pro, and it costs $9 per month, as I describe on the start of this tutorial, but for now, I will not do it, so I will go back. Now let's create a model by clicking on the option New and tap on the option model. Now here is the model owner name, and I will not change it here. I can write my model name. So let me write. Here I need to select a license for my model. I'll select this one, scroll down, and here you can see the option of public or private. If I select public, then anyone can interact with this model and they will see it. But if I set it on private, then without me, no one will be able to see it. So I will set on private and will click on the option Create Model. And here you can see without doing any much effort, my model has been created. And here you can see the license. And it's currently set on private. Now here is the option of file and versions. Here, I can see my model version. Now this one is the community and in community. I can discuss some topic by tapping on the option New Discussion. If I click on the option New Discussion, I can start a new discussion by writing title and description. If I click on a new pull request here, I need to put a request. This option is Belong to Setting, and here you can do your model setting. You can see the visibility. Now it's on private. And if I click on the option Made Public, then my model will be set to public. This one is storage usage. And here, I can rename or transfer this model to anyone. In order to create a new name, I need to write the new name, scroll down, and here you can see the option of Gated User Access currently is disabled. If I want to enable that, I need to click on the option Enable Request, and here you can see New Request. Scroll down, here you can see the option of Delete this model. In order to delete this model, I need to write this. Once I will write, I can delete this model easily. So let me write. And here, you can see after writing, you can see the option of Delete this model. If I click on it, then this model will be deleted. Let's go back now. We came back to the home page, Hugging Face. In order to change the theme, you can see the option of lighting. Click on it. And here, you can enable the dark theme. You can see the dark theme has been enabled. And I hope after watching my video, you will understand about the Hugging Face.